You must have heard the name of drone cameras, but you've probably never imagined a drone camera coming out of a phone. Vivo is turning this imagination into reality. If you want to experience a drone in your mobile, Vivo has brought you a magnificent drone camera phone. This phone will not have a traditional front camera. Instead, it will feature a 200 megapixel mini drone camera, embedded in the upper part of the phone, which you can fly using your phone to capture photos and videos. If you're interested in buying this phone, make sure to watch the video till the end. In today's video, we will share details about the leaked features, price, and launch date of this phone. So, let's start. Features of the Vivo flying drone camera phone. Starting with the display, the phone will feature a 6.87-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, with 4K resolution. Additionally, it will come with impressive features like a 144 Hz refresh rate, 390 Hz touch sampling rate, an in-display fingerprint sensor, and an IP69 rating for water and dust resistance. Camera quality. The camera setup of this phone is truly unique. Instead of a traditional front camera, it will feature a 200 megapixel drone camera that can be flown using the phone to capture photos and videos. On the rear, the phone will have a triple camera setup, including a 108 megapixel main camera, a 24 megapixel telephoto lens, and a 5 megapixel ultra-wide lens. Operating system. Under the hood, the phone will be powered by Qualcomm's latest and most powerful processor, the Snapdragon 8 Elite, ensuring excellent performance for professional gaming and multitasking. It will also run on the Android 15 operating system. Battery backup. Vivo is equipping this phone with a powerful 8000 mAh battery, supported by 125-watt fast charging, and a Type-C 3.2 port for quick and efficient charging. Price and launch date. The expected price of this drone phone is around $2,000. As for the launch date, it is expected to be released later this year.